Tony Serratore, Head of IT at Penlon. Penlon are a manufacturing company, medical devices. We were founded in 1943, got a long history of producing life-saving equipment. We distribute to 96 countries. Recently, we were part of the Ventilator Challenge UK that produced close to 12,000 ventilators for the COVID emergency. The challenge we faced before implementing XaitCPQ was cumbersome in producing quotations. There's lots of additional processes involved. From a back office point of view, we couldn't produce a quote unless the actual configured part number was available within our ERP system, so we could price against. And the quotes weren't being produced quickly enough. So one of the challenges was using Excel spreadsheets for configuring the product. This was very labour intensive to update the spreadsheets, to provide the correct access to the spreadsheets, and this led to challenges of making sure that the RSMs use the correct spreadsheet, as there could potentially be potential versions. We looked at a number of solutions, one of them being, can we do more with what we already have in terms of the Excel spreadsheets? But we quickly eliminated those because of the issues of versioning and keeping them up to date and accessibility. And we looked towards XaitCPQ, cloud-based system, highly available and empowering the users or the RSMs to access from anytime, anywhere, any device. One reason for choosing XaitCPQ was to empower the regional sales managers to produce their quotations for their customers in a very efficient way with pricing and correct part number requirements. So our regional sales managers are spread globally, looking after key accounts and distributors, and we generally follow the sun. So predominantly, Penlon are a 9-to-5 business. Therefore, if there was a quote request from the back office, depending on the time of the day, it could be the next day that it was produced. With XaitCPQ, this empowered the regional sales managers to basically have full 24/7 access to the quoting system and generate the quotes as and when they needed to. XaitCPQ has enabled the RSMs to be more self-sufficient, so not the reliance on the back office systems. It's allowed them to produce efficient and accurate quotations, given the business line of sight of opportunities and activity management. It's allowed us to provide funnels for forecasting, for capacity planning, that helps production meet the customer requirements. Having the CPQ system has revolutionised the quoting process at Penlon. It has empowered the sales team to produce faster quotes, give us the line of sight. The approval process is a lot quicker. So overall, we've really seen an operational improvement.